This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Larry Townsend. A great home to own in Yorktown. Open floor plan with vaulted ceiling in the formal living room or make it an office. Spacious dining room, freshly painted living room with gas fireplace that flows to the open eat-in kitchen with pantry and lots of cabinet space. Laminate floors on the first floor level. Roof is 3 years young. Entertain in your own backyard on large deck with privacy fence that backs up to a wooded area. It's almost summertime where you can cool down and enjoy the neighborhood pool. Conveniently located near Langley Air Force, featuring Eustis, Naval Weapon Station, Coast Guard, and family fun mini golf. For more information, review the details below.